No, not number 1, number 2. Your test is next week. It is 1 week from today. Your test is next week, 1 week from today. If you haven't done your homework, you're probably not going to pass. Just going to state the obvious. If you decide to do the homework by copying someone else's, you're still not going to pass. So good job with that. State the obvious again. IM2 is way harder than IM1. So know that. And what else? And if your notebooks aren't done, you're going to lose like a lot of your points. It's 100 points. Your homework's only 5 points. Oh, that means missing work is due next week by Thursday, because your test is on Thursday. All right, we're going to multiply polynomials. Multiply polynomials. Multiply. All right, let's review for a second. All right, so my review really quick is from last week. Last week you learned how to multiply 4x and 3x, yes? So if we multiply 4x times 3x, how do we multiply this? What do we do? Bless you. What do we do? I know how to do it. Do you? Stand here all day. What do we do? I really can stand here all day. What do I do? What do I multiply, Jean? Thank you. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Then what else do I do? Oh, add the x to the second, or add the x's to get x to the second power. Yes? Okay. Not everyone knows how to do this, which is why we have to review it. We're going to multiply today. Oops, I forgot to write the word multiply. When we multiply today, you're going to use the box method. I'm going to show you what the box method is in a second. It's literally a box. Okay, you're going to write this down, then you're going to put your pencil down, and you're not going to write. It's 4x minus 2 times 3x plus 4. So 4x minus 2 times 3x plus 4. You're going to put your pencil down and wait. All right, we have a binomial. Your binomial is 4x minus 2. Since it's a binomial meaning two terms, we're going to go down 2. And I have two terms here, so we're going to go across 2, yes? I'm going to draw this nice little box. It's a 2 by 2 because there's 2 here and 2 here. There's 2 there and there's 2 there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to put the 4x here. I'm going to put the negative 2 here. I'm going to put the 3x here and the positive 4 here. Notice there is a space on for a reason, because I need to be careful that I don't leave it together, because what happens is if you do, it kind of mushes together and you forget it. Now we're going to multiply. You're multiplying today, not really adding, so you need to be careful. So you're going to multiply 4x and 3x, and we know 4 times 3 is 12, and we know x times x is x squared. Yes? Because remember, this is just like that multiplication chart you learned like in 3rd grade, where you multiply 2 and you get 10 and you find the answer in the middle. So then you're going to multiply 4x and positive 4, and we get 4 times 4, which is 16, and you bring your x. Then you're going to multiply negative 2 and 3x, so we get negative 6x. And lastly, we're multiplying negative 2 times 4, positive 4, which is, oopsies, negative 8. Yes? All right, I'm going to bring it out of the box. When I bring it out of the box, I can either bring it left to right or top to bottom. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to bring it out top to bottom for right now. All I did was bring it out. I'm done with the stuff on the outside. I only care about the stuff on the inside. So I go ahead and I bring it out. When I'm here, I need to combine like terms. What am I combining? I don't know why you're writing. You're watching. What are you combining? Negative 6x and positive 16x. Yes? Okay, so I should know that this is a 12x squared. Negative 6 plus 16 is how much? Positive 10x, right? That's what you did yesterday, correct? Okay, and then we bring down our negative 8. Can we do anything else? Nope, because they're not the same. That's your answer. You're going to box it. Hopefully the people in the corner over there paid attention, because the girls are staring off in space, and I hope you write it down now. Go. All right, we're going to go to example B. You're going to do this one by yourself. You're going to multiply x minus 4 and 8x plus 3. X minus 4 and 8x plus 3. Box. 2 down, 2 across, yes? All right, on the outside is what here? Sure, negative 4 here. And positive 3. My turn. X times 8x. 8x squared. Negative 4 times 8x. Positive or negative? Careful. X times 3. Negative 4 and 3. Good. All right, bring it out of the box. Combine like terms. What am I combining? Wonderful. So I bring down the 8x squared. I get negative 29x and a negative. Who had it right? You are correct. Let's do it again. Fun things will happen. 5x and positive 2 and 5x and negative 2. So 5x plus 2 and 5x minus 2. Who has an answer? Only a couple of you? All right, let's multiply 5x and 5x is what? 25x squared. 5x times negative 2. Negative 10x. Positive 2 and 5x. Positive 10x. Positive 2 and negative 2. Negative 4. So 25x squared, negative 10x, positive 10x, and negative 4. In the middle, you have a negative 10 and a positive 10. They cancel out. Is there anything left in the middle then? Nope. So I have what? Who had it right? Good. So let's do again. Oh, I have room here. Let's do. Oops. Where's my highlighter? 6x minus 1 squared. Yes, I can change the variable, but I'm sticking with x's. What does it mean to be 6x minus 1 squared? Write it twice. So we're going to have 6x minus 1 and a 6x minus 1. Now can you multiply? Yeah, sure. Check with someone. You're right. Yeah. Finally. Who has an answer? 4 of you have answers. I saw more answers out there. That's a box. It's for crooked. I don't really care. All right. 6x here, -1. 6x here, -1. Yes? Okay, let's multiply 6 and 6. Wonderful. 6x and -1. And then? Positive? I think, Jenny, that might be the only thing you had wrong. So 36x squared, -6x, -6x, +1. The middles, do they cancel? No. Why? They're both negative, so same sign, you add. So what do we get? Who had that lovely enchilada right? Good. Oh, all of a sudden there's more hands. Ugh. Okay, one more. I'm not going to go over the box at all. Whoa, I know. Let's see if you can do the whole thing. All right, letter E. 3x minus 1 and 6x squared plus x minus 5. Oh my goodness, what happened here? 3x minus 1 times 6x squared plus x minus 5. What is happening? No. Nope, can't combine yet. Do you see anything insane? There's a multiplication. What is it happening to your box? How many are you still going down? 2. How many are going across? 3, because you now have a what? A bigger box, because you have a trinomial, not a triangle. That's not till March. We don't deal with triangles till March. Hey, hand it to me so we can all read it. Is it in tissue? There's more tissue over there, guys.
Well, I'm right here.
Oh. Well, that was nice of you. I understand. I heard it too, but I think it's also... There's tissue over there, just so you know, because you all need it. Because the sniffing does bug. Now they're going to sniff on purpose. I'm just kidding. You ready? Link crew 293-00. I've been there once. It's far.
It's far, but like the deals, I don't know. Is there a normal line?
No. I live on the other side.
Oh.
So I don't go to there. Ready? Set.
Go.
Savannah, tell me your first term of your answer. Well, that sucks. Come sit in the front next to Angel for me, please. Thank you. Robert, tell me the first term of your answer. Well, that sucks. Alex, help him out.
18 eggs, 3 on top.
Thank you. Yep, comes in the front next to Angel in the red, where the empty seat is. Right there.
Oh.
Thank you. Juan, what's your second term? Why? I'm giving you 2 more minutes. If you don't do it, you're not getting, this is it, I'm done. Those that are done, raise your hand. I will give you your homework. The rest of you will sit there until you finish that problem. Give one to Sal behind you.
My name's Sal.